My father disappeared last week. I don't know why, but I heard people talking about my father a lot. When I was talking with my sister about our lost father in the house, suddenly the soldiers came and called us for no reason.
Please don't!
They brought us to a court and started asking questions.
Hey George, we're looking for your father. Did you see him recently?
How did you know my name?
Oh, come. I'm your father's old friend, and we have not seen him for ages. Could you please tell me where your father is now?
I don't know, sir. He left without saying where he will go a few weeks ago. We also want to see him. If you are my father's friend, could you please find where my father is now?
Oh, child, you should know where your father is. I know you and your father are the best friends. If you tell us where he is, you'll be fine. However, if you wouldn't tell us where he is, your sister will be put in jail. It is all up to you, George.
But I really don't know where he is. Please don't touch my sister.
This is silly inspector. He doesn't know that I'm lying.
The inspector couldn't get any answer from me, and they tried to ask my beloved sister Mary. Mary was actually terrified and kept crying too fiercely to respond at all. They could not do anything with us and left.